हेलो एवरीवन, मैं वंदना आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम एनसीईआरटी हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 2 पढ़ने वाले हैं, जो कि है सोशलिज्म इन यूरोप एंड रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन। इट वाज अ लेक्चर फर्स्ट। इट इज़ अ लेंथी चैप्टर. इट कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू लेक्चर 3 or a 2. Okay, now let's start the chapter. And the age of social change. What was the age of social change at that time? The liberal, radical, and the conservative. Industrial and social change. Socialism in Europe. Robert Owen, Louis Black, and the Karl Marx, Friedrich Engels were the cause of the socialism in Europe. Support for the socialism, SDP, Social Democratic Party, Labour Party in Britain, and the Socialist Party in the France. Okay. The Russian Revolution, Economy and Society, Socialism in Russia. The Russian Socialist Democratic Labour Party, division of the Bolsheviks and the Mensheviks. The 1905 Revolution, Bloody Sunday. It was the only introduction of this chapter. These slides, these points we will discuss further in a details. Okay, Bloody Sunday by the St. Petersburg Father Gapon, an elected consultative parliament or a Duma, the First World War and the Russian Empire. Introduction. Now our chapter is start. The previous points were declared about the summary of that chapter. Introduction. This lesson throw light on the coming of the socialism in Europe and the dramatic events that forced the ruling monarch, the Tsar Nicholas II, to give up the power. One can see how the ideal of the socialism brought about the Russian Revolution. The age of socialism changed. The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change in a society. People were conservative, liberals, or radicals. Okay, liberals were what were the who were the liberals? Wanted a nation which tolerated all religion. They were against the uncontrolled power of the dynasty's ruler. They wanted right for the individual, and they argued for an elected parliamentary government subjected to law, interrupted by the well trained judiciary that was independent of the ruler and official. They were not Democrats because they did not believe in a universal adult franchise. They argued for an elected parliamentary government subject to law, interrupted by a well-trained judiciary that was independent of the ruler and official. They were not Democrats because they did not believe in the universal adult franchises. What were the radicals? Who were the radicals? Wanted a nation in which government was based on a majority of the country population. They disliked concentration of property in the hand of a few, not the existence of the private property. Conservative. They resisted the changes. After the revolution, they started accepting change, provided was a slow, was linked, and the respected for the past. Okay. Industries and the socialist changes. It was also a beginning of the industrial revolution. Men, women, and children were pushed into the factories for the low wages. Liberal and radical, who were the factory owner, felt that efforts must be encouraged so that benefit of industrialization should be passed on to the worker. Socialist has been different version of the future, like Robert Owen sought to build a cooperative community called New Harmony in Indiana, USA. In France, Louis Blanc wanted the government to encourage cooperative and replace capitalist enterprises. Socialists were against private property and saw it as a root of social evil. Some believe in a cooperative, some demanded that government must encourage cooperative. Karl Marx and the Friedrich Engels added that industrial society was a capitalist. Marx believed that a socialist society free the worker from the capitalism. This would be a communist society. Support for the socialism. Socialists formed an organization called the Second International to spread socialist ideas. Worker in Germany and England began forming association to fight for the better living condition. They set up funds for the member in a distress reduction or of working hour and the right to the vote. Okay, the Russian Revolution. Now the soul of spirit of chapter is start. What was the Russian Revolution? In a 1944, oh sorry, 1914, during the World War First, क्या हुआ कि the Tsar Nicholas II is a king of the Russian, ruled the Russian Empire. Russian population about 85% were an agriculturist, agriculture पे depend थी. Industries were being set up which was the most private property of the industrialist. Workers were divided into groups, but they did not unite to strike work when they were dissatisfied. Okay. Peasant had no respect for nobility, very unlike the French peasant. Russian peasants were the only peasant community which pooled their land and the commune divided it. Socialism in Russia. Now after revolution there is a socialism. All political party were illegal in Russia before 1914. The Russian Socialist Democratic Labour Party was formed in 1898. He struggled to give a peasant their right over the land that belonged to the nobles, as land was divided among peasants periodically, which makes them natural socialists, and it was felt that peasant and not worker would be the main source of the revolution. But Lenin did not agree with this, as he felt that peasants were not one a social group. In the 1905 revolution, Russia was an autocracy. The Tsar was not subject to the parliament. Liberals wanted to end the state of affairs. They worked toward the demanding a constitution during the revolution of 1905. It is a most important जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की स्टार्टिंग हुई थी ये रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन के ही टाइम पे हुई थी 1905 में. ठीक है. अब रिवॉल्यूशन तो ये अपने आप डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी बनाने के बाद कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी राइट अप करेंगे विच वॉज अडोप्टेड बाय ऑल अदर कंट्री लाइक इंडिया. रशिया वॉज एन autocracy. Tsar was not a subject to the parliament. Liberals wanted to end the state affair. They worked toward the demanding of constitution during the revolution of 1905. Bloody Sunday. What was a Bloody Sunday? Prices of essential goods rose so quickly by the 1904 that the real wages declined by 20%. During this time, 4 members of Putilov iron worker were dismissed. यानी कि जो जरूरी चीज़ें थी उनकी गुड्स मतलब उनकी डिमांड बढ़ने लगी थी तो दैट्स वाई प्राइजेस भी बढ़ने लगे थे. द एक्शन वाज कॉल्ड फॉर ओवर 11 lakh worker in St. Petersburg went on a strike demanding a reduction in a working hour and increases in a wages. The procession was led by Father Gapon. This procession was attacked by the police and Cossacks. Over 100 workers were killed. Strike took place. A reaction. People demanded a constituent assembly. The Tsar allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament or a Duma. The Tsar dismissed the first Duma within 75 days and announced the election of the second Duma. The First World War and the Russian इवेंट्स इन द वट वाज अ फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में क्या क्या इवेंट हुए इन द विंटर ऑफ 1970 प्रोलॉन्ग वाज अ ग्रीम देर वाज अ फूड शॉर्टेज ऑफ इन द वर्कर क्वार्टर 27 Feb a lockout took place at the factory worker of 50 other factories joined in a sympathy women also led one and participated in the strike. This came so called the International Women's Day. Okay, जिसको इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे के नाम से जाना जाता है क्योंकि वुमेन के वेजेस को इक्वल कर दिया था ना एट दैट टाइम. देयर वर 7 million consulative and the 3 million refugees in Russia. The war also affected the industry. There was a labor shortage. Railway line was shut down and the small workshop were closed down. There was a shortage of grain and the hence the bread. Even खाने की चीज़ों की भी वहाँ पे शॉर्टेज हो गई थी. बिकॉज पीपल डिमांड बढ़ एग्रीकल्चर भी ग्रो करा था तो इस वजह से एनहांस होने की लाइक पीपल की डिमांड बढ़ने लगी थी यानी पीपल लोग बढ़ने लग गए थे वर्ल्ड वार के टाइम, एंड इस वजह से लोगों को खाने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती थी, इसलिए जो प्राइसेस है वो राइज करने लग गए थे। इस तरह से मतलब वहाँ पे हर एक चीज़ महंगी होने लग गई थी, यानी कि ब्रेड, यानी यहाँ कॉमन फूड था वो भी बहुत महंगा बिकने लग गया था। इस वजह से मतलब लोगों को खाने की भी कमी हो गई थी। ओके, इस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम आगे फैब रिवॉल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, क्या था फैब रिवॉल्यूशन, और उसके बाद अक्टूबर रिवॉल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, जो आगे मतलब सोशलिज्म बिल्ड करेगा रशिया में एंड यूरोप में। ओके, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, अगर चैनल पे नए आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए, ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको टाइम पे मिल रही। और स्टे ट्यून एंड कवर सिलेबस। थैंक यू।